Clear, 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 clear. See, I already told you, okay, that there are 7 fundamental quantities, okay. तो अपन के पास मास लेंथ टाइम है, मास लेंथ टाइम है अपन के पास, ठीक है. We have mass length time. Okay, no problem, sir. No problem, sir. For current we use A, okay, and what is that? Luminous intensity. So no use of it. Luminous intensity right now. टेम्परेचर के लिए अपन यूज करेंगे K, ओके, एंड मोल का भी अपन यूज नहीं करेंगे अभी, ठीक है. तो मास लेंथ टाइम एम्पियर एंड केल्विन K में अपन खेलेंगे, ठीक है. नो इश्यू सर, नो इश्यू सर, ठीक है, नो इश्यू सर. See, whenever you have to write the dimension of any fundamental, any physical quantity, we already did fundamental quantities and derived quantities, am I right? So whenever we have to find out the dimension of any quantity, suppose we have to find out the dimension of velocity. So now see how to approach velocity को अपन क्या लिख सकते हैं? Velocity can be written as the displacement divided by time. Clear? Any issue? Any problem? We write velocity dimension as like this. Okay. So अपन displacement पर भी कैप लगा देंगे, time पर भी कैप लगा देंगे, ठीक है. No issue sir. Actually displacement is what? Length. Okay. So we'll replace displacement by capital L. Okay. Capital L. Dimension of time is t, so we'll replace time by t. So what is dimension of L? T minus 1. We write in the terms of power, of positive or negative integer. Clear here? So what is dimension of velocity? L t minus 1. Clear? Okay, no issue sir. On the same, suppose question asks what is dimension of speed? Oh sir. So in place of speed, how to define speed? Speed is nothing. It's a distance divided by time. Okay, the distance divided by time. Oh sir, no problem sir. So means simply we need to find out the dimension of distance divided by dimension of time. So again the dimension of distance is same, that is L. So again L divided by T, L T minus 1. Clear. What I say, if you follow me, you can solve all questions of JEE Mains and NEET examination. Trust me. You can attempt all questions of JEE Mains and NEET examination. Trust me. Okay, even you cannot skip. You will not skip even a single question. Your score will be 100%. Okay, but focus here. What I say. Very important. What I say. Okay, clear. बताओ. अरे बात बराबर है, बात समझ में आती है तेरे को? बोलो यार. Tell me रे बाबा. Tell me. बात बराबर है. Tell me. Oh, hey, listen. If I have to define acceleration. No problem, sir. Accelerations. We need to find out the dimension of acceleration. Acceleration, sir. What do you mean, sir? Can we say velocity by time right now? Can we, rate of change of velocity with respect to time is acceleration. So actually, can we say right now, sir, v by t simply? No problem. So actually we need dimension of acceleration. So can we say dimension of v divided by dimension of t? Clear? I already derived the dimension of velocity, so I am not going to derive it again. Okay, अब अपन velocity का dimension अपन डायरेक्ट यूज करेंगे अभी के बाद. तो velocity का dimension क्या हुआ? Lt minus 1. Oh sir, what are you saying? And dimension of t, time क्या हो गया बाबू? T, that is t. Oh sir, so what is dimension? Lt minus 2. Clear. Oh, let's play. एक्सेलरेशन आ गया, ठीक है. अब देखो कोई भी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन आएगा, sin थीटा का डायमेंशन पूछेगा, है ना, cos थीटा का डायमेंशन पूछेगा, है ना, tan थीटा का डायमेंशन पूछेगा, है ना, sec थीटा का डायमेंशन पूछेगा, है ना, cosec थीटा का डायमेंशन पूछेगा, है ना. If you take cot theta dimension, so all dimension is okay. We use dimension is no dimension, means in place of all this we will use one only. Clear. So if I will ask you what is dimension of r sin theta? What is dimension of r sin theta? Clear. What is dimension of r sin theta? Clear. This question asked in NEET examination. Clear. What is dimension of r sin theta? Can you tell me directly now? R is radius. Suppose r is radius, sin theta dimension of sin. So we can split this. So we can write dimension of r into dimension of sin theta. Sir, you already taught here. So dimension of r is L. Am I right? Yeah, L, and dimension of sin theta is one answer, sir. Clear? अरे समझ में आया रे बाबा, समझ में आया. Any question comes from here, you can solve it now. Very easy, very easy. Yes or no? Okay, thank you.